We are solving questions on indices, and from what you are seeing here on the board, you see that involve both first law and second law. There is a trick that is happening here. Nobody tells you that it's an invisible one here. It is there. Power of one is the same thing as the alphabet itself. So what we are having here is just simply, don't forget this one is second law. We subtract their power from our laws. So now see the common base, their common base, 7 minus 1. Invisible one is there. So now let's see to our that one is there. Common base, don't forget. When you are multiplying common base, you take the common base, which is 10, then you add their power. So we have this is the first law of indices I've given you before. If you are following my videos. Then this one is division. This CN means division. So it's same thing as what 24 x raised to the power 6 divided by 8 x raised to the power 4. Of which you know that division, this one we can divide. If we divide, we can, because it's not the same base, you can divide. 4 8 into this will give us what? 3. Then following the law, they are common base now. You are dividing. Hence, we are going to subtract their power. So we now have the common base, which is 6 minus 4. That will now give us 3 raised to power what? 2. That is plus 6 minus 4. Followed by algebra, you will know how that one is done. The next one is this division. We subtract their power from our second law of indices. So now x raised to the power 3 minus minus. Don't forget the law itself is saying that it's minus. It's now having its own minus. Don't forget that. So now x minus times minus, if it's in between number, if you follow my algebra, you will see that. I have that video on that, algebra. So now I have x raised to the power 8. Then the next one is the same number. They are different numbers, so we can multiply. So we now have 36. The common base there is a. So you now have minus 5. Because it's multiplication, we are going to add their power plus 4. Common base. So equal to what? 36. Minus 5 plus 4 will give us what? A raised to power 1. But we don't write it. It's the same thing as a. So you can see it there. So in the last one, you can see 5 times 4 is 20. 20 times 2 is 40. Then we now use their common base. Common base. Because it's multiplication, you add their power. 2 plus 0 plus minus 6. Remember, everything will not be 2 minus 6. And minus 6 plus 2 will give us what? Minus 4. Check my algebra if you are having issues with all this addition and subtraction. I've done a very nice work on that. See you in our fourth, second law and third law of indices calculations.